Hi guys, it's Kathy. Today we're going back in time to October of 2023 to Arizona, and it's bad for this trespasser. But then, as soon as the judge talks for about a minute or two, it gets worse for her. Here we go.
Going forward. Go ahead and state your full name.
My name is Elizabeth Jean McCarthy. I think
All right. Your voice is a little hoarse, so some of it skipped out a little bit. Could you state your name again?
Courtney Elizabeth Jean McCarthy. Compton.
Okay. Is Jean spelled Jene?
Jean.
Thank you. All right. Do you have a residence?
My vehicle is my residence at the moment because I haven't been able to find family or friends yet.
Understood. Do you receive mail anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay.
I've been here, I believe, 19 days.
In Payson?
No, in Arizona.
Okay. Do you have an email address that you use?
I do, not for much, but yeah.
Okay, well, I'm trying to find a source to be able to send you court documents if we need to. Is that the best source we have for now?
No, because I don't have internet service and I can't even pay for internet service because I have a track phone, so I have to buy a new and then internet service because track phone services charge too much for only 10 gigabytes. That's like $40. I'm gonna have to redo all of it. Okay. Just so I can access the email at the time. I do not have internet access.
Okay, the phone number we have ending in 7313, is that a good phone number?
Yes.
Okay. So you're charged with a misdemeanor violation of criminal trespassing. On that charge, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I scheduled you for an arraignment on the 8th of November at 9 o'clock in the morning. An arraignment is where you need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to those charges. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceedings. At that time, prior to you giving a plea, the maximum penalty will be explained to you, and any minimum penalty will be explained, if any. Also, what happens with each of the options of your plea will be explained prior to you providing the plea. Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately if your address changes. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Do not go near the location of the alleged offense. Can you comply with those release conditions?
All except for the last one, since my vehicle is at that residence or so-called private property.
Okay.
And I don't know where it's at. Never mind, it's there, I guess.
You don't know where your vehicle is?
No.
It's been towed, Judge.
Okay, so it is towed, so it's not at that location. And I believe that protected, let me just look at it here, was Walmart. Let me double check.
It is.
Hold on, it gets a little worse.
Yeah, okay, so that's not a permanent order as far as the court's concerned. It's just while these court proceedings are taking place, unless you've been notified by Walmart or law enforcement not to return there. So this is just while.
Oh, that's permanent for her. She can't get that out of the tow yard. They charge an arm and a leg. She'll never see her car again, all of her stuff.
These court procedures are taking place. Once this case is closed and adjudicated, these release conditions go away. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand that.
Okay, so as of now, it's prohibiting you from going to that location. Can you comply with that order?
Well, yeah.
Okay, and you'll show up to court as I've requested on the 8th of November at 9 o'clock?
Is it in this town?
Correct.
Well, I would like to, and I hope to, as long as nothing happens to my physical person while I'm now on the streets instead of protected inside of my only home and with my pups.
Well, if you're not sure, then I'll just keep you in custody.
I don't know what else to do because I really don't have anywhere to go.
Well, do you want to stay in jail then?
What's going to happen with my pups?
What happens with your what?
The puppies.
I have no idea. I mean, were there dogs in your car?
Yeah, my pups.
Well, they probably went to the Humane Society and they're housed there for now. I'm not sure, but That's what normally would happen. But the reason that the cause for you to stay in custody is because you won't promise to appear on the next court date that I provided, or you won't obey those release conditions. If you can't do either one of those, I'm going to keep you in custody and set a bond on you.
That only makes sense. The only thing I'm telling you, if you're listening, is I don't have a home to go to, and I have reason to believe that my person is in danger.
Okay.
She will die.
Report your person to the law enforcement agency to see if they can provide you any type of protection. I won't use that as a reason to not have you come to court. Okay, so if you have
I don't either, as long as my person is in physical, in good physical condition.
Okay, well, if not, then if you need to go to the hospital, or if you need to report your person to law enforcement to seek aid in protecting you, or if you have some type of crimes that are allegedly being committed against you, then you need to report those to the proper authorities.
Your Honor, I have reported this for nearly 8 years straight. In fact, November 8th would be the first day that what is called gang stalking began happening to me. And it's been going on for 8 years. In fact, on November 8th was the first day. Police in Lebanon, Missouri is directly involved in this. There's more to say about that. I am scared of the police.
Okay, well, you had an encounter with the police this time, and they brought you into custody. So,
Okay, well, let's give it a try.
Okay, if you can show to court and you're promising to appear on that date and you can abide by the release conditions, I'll release you on your own recognizance. Do you have anything else? Any questions?
One more thing, and I guess maybe someone else can help. The police will have all the dog food, is in everything's in the truck.
Yeah, so what you'll need to find out is who towed it, how to get it back, and then where your dogs are. Most likely the dogs are at the Humane Society, and then you'll have to just see the report that it is with the sheriff's office there indicates who towed the vehicle. If not, see if you can make a phone call to the law enforcement agency to find out who towed your vehicle to see what it takes to get it back.
Yeah, well, that will have to wait till the first of the month anyways.
Okay, any other questions?
No.
Okay, that'll be all then.
Thank you.
Yeah, she waits even more than one day. She can't afford it now. Those tow companies charge a lot. So, yeah, she lost her dogs. She lost her house because she went to Walmart. They probably gave her plenty of warnings to leave, but man, that just got worse and worse. Now, this was in 2023. So, whatever happened is fixed by now, and she's on to new and bigger problems, I'm sure. Like we all are. Thanks for coming out today, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.